On the screen is our wall post. What you see on our screen is our wall post software that is hosted on a cloud, and plus you can access it from any browser. Now I'm going to go ahead and log in as a business owner or a company owner. The moment I log in as a company owner, I get to see a very interactive dashboard that shows me a consolidated performance of all my companies, everything around my financial performances. So if you can see, I have the profit and loss, bank and cash availability, receivables overdue, payables overdue, everything in a consolidated view. I can see that also for a specific year or for a specific month also. And the most interesting part, I can see it in the currency of my choice from here. Another important part to note is I can see it in the language of my choice as well. So if I switch to Arabic, then the entire screen reflects in Arabic. The wall post has that capabilities. Now let me switch back to English. Now on the left-hand side, I have a centralized view of all the approvals and alerts that are directed to the company owner for their action. On this screen, I can approve requests or reject requests based on the departments that are raising it. I can bulk approve and reject it as well. And if there are any activities that have crossed the timeline, I can just click on the alerts tab and I can navigate to that specific department and I can see the list of activities that have delayed so that I can speak to the respective department head or department member to expedite that request. Now, I also can see a individual performance of all my companies from here. When I see a consolidated performance, I can also see an individual performance over here. If I click on go to my portal for that specific company, I will see another dashboard indicating all the statistics or performances associated with that company. I can see all the financial performance information over here. I can see all the sales related information over here. And if I click on these tabs, I can get to see more and more detailed information in a graphical view. I can also download those reports. I can also send them to my mail. I can also see the performance information of all my departments on how are they performing based on the targets that I set for them. And on the tab below, I can see all the approvals, activities, alerts, activities in terms of if there are any activities that have just been raised, I can see them. If there are any approvals that are raised, I can see them. If there are any alerts, activities that have delayed the timelines, also I can see them. Now I can see the attendance of all my employees, whether they have punched in on time, whether they have punched out on time, how many of them are on absent, how many of them are on leave, how many of them are on duty, everything in a single click view. I can also filter it based on certain settings that I have. And I can also download this and send it to the different team or different people that I need to. Now, if there are certain reports also in Wallpost that are very informative, where I can, such as the finance monthly report. This finance monthly report is generated to give me a consolidated performance of all the financial parameters associated with my business. I can see the income statement. I can see income variance report. I can see my balance sheet, everything. Now, in this screen, you can also set up meetings. You can also set up tasks. You just have to click on it, and then I can set tasks for me or set tasks for my team in a very simplified form. I can also approve timesheets for the task my employees are doing, and I can see if there are any activities which are billable and non-billable from this screen itself. So in one single click view, I can see an entire performance of my company. On the right hand side, I have two more points to show to you. I can raise request, approve leave requests by just clicking on this option and selecting the specific request item that I need to raise. I can click, say, for example, leave request, loan request, resignation request, overtime request. I can just click on those requests, and then I will get a form to fill in the details, which will go to the respective team member or manager for approvals. You can see the payslip information also over here for all the month when you generate when the salaries payroll is approved, the payslip gets automatically populated over here. Now, I also have the HR module. Now, it's important for you to see the HR module. Our HR module, again, gives me a consolidated view of everything associated with my HR department and my employee management. So I can see all vital information like who are my employees, number of leaves, and I can see my company structure in terms of the number of employees in the department and their total costs for that department. Then I can see the performance tracking from here. I can also see staff retention policies, important information like on HR performances, like what is my retention rate, employee growth, what is my people productivity for specific month and specific year also. So while it records and saves all those information so that you can always go back to the previous year or previous years to do a comparison on having and to see how you have grown as a company. You can also define policies to track your employee behavior. You can define your attendance policies. You can define duty rosters. You can also define leave policies, overtime policies, end of service policies, everything with a very easy, readable configuration. Once you set this configuration, then the system automatically uses this configuration, avoids a lot of manual work, and improves your productivity by this automated process. You can now, this is an overall view of our HR portal. It's very easy to use. The next we have is our CRM module. In our CRM module, this is where you go ahead and track all your sales activities from the time you create a lead till the time a contract is established between the lead and the company. You can track every progress over here. I can create leads and contacts that I get from certain business associations or webinar. After I create leads and I click on this, I get more details of the leads, like where are they from, what is their contact information, everything over here. And if at all I establish a contract, then I can see who all are my active customers with all the statements, customer statements so far, that how much in business have I done with that customer and what are the collections so far I have done. And then I can also see all the proposals and engagements or quotations that I created for the customer that are pending for their approval or review. I can see it in a single click view over here. So all the quotations or contracts that I've created and submitted to the client, I can track it from here. Have they accepted or have they lost? I can track it from here. And I can also see a staff-wise performance, which of my staff member have been generating very good sales and is a value add to the company by bringing more business. I can see it from here as well. Again, on this, in the center, you will have an option to see what are the status of all your proposals that are actively running. If there are some negotiations going on, you can see it from here. You can see if there are some meetings that are scheduled for talking about the proposal or the project. You can see what all is going on from here. If there are any workshops being conducted with the customer to define the list of activities to fit into the proposal or engagements, you can see it from here as well. So in a single click view, I can go ahead and see the status of all the inline or upcoming business proposals or engagements that are under discussion. Now I can see a summary view again of all my sales performance. I can see how well have I done this year in terms of my sales growth. Have I grown compared to last year, and what is the growth percentage? How much revenue have I made this year, and what are the activities of my staff today? How many of them are on meeting and calls with the clients, potential clients? How many of them have we sent the quotations for? Are there any confirmed sales orders? I can see it from here. And if there are any contracts that are actively running, I can just go ahead and see those contracts over here and click and see more details of those contracts. You have some information informative reports also. These reports will be like, you can see, say for example, in the CRM module, you can track the progress of all your leads, your quotation analysis to understand your success scenarios for a quotation. If there are any rejections, understand the main reasons why the quotations have been rejected. And if there are any sales report that you need to generate to see how you performed over the year or the month, you can check, you can use our reports. Similarly, for the HR module also, we do have certain reports. Those reports are all associated with the employee performance or employee behavior. Let me just show that to you as well. So you can see if there are some document expiry renewal report, if there are any documents that is required for the employment purposes, then those documents can be tracked over here, if they are going to expire or not. If there are certain employee reports that you can see on your employee that are spread geographically, you can see how many of them are in Americas, India, Nigeria. You can see a summary report of your attrition, a consolidated perform of your attrition. So all these kind of reports in a very graphical, representative manner is what Wallpost gives you today. You also finally, let me go ahead and show you the payroll. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Well, Wallpost, in the meantime, while we are loading the payroll software, now the payroll software is designed to support the India market. You can go ahead and generate the payroll services using our Wallpost payroll system. The tax settings are also available for you. There are tax settings that we have defined in the system to capture the TDS, to capture all the tax related information as part of your payroll or salary processing. The settings are easy to configure. Let me just show that to you. You can define your income tax, define the tax slabs, your professional tax settings, and you can also define if there are any allowances as part of your pay salary. You can define them over here, and plus you can also set the employer and employee contribution by just clicking them and setting the settings. So all these are a one-time settings. Once you define that, it's a very easy process. At the time of your payroll processing period, you can just go ahead, select the specific payroll period and generate it. Let me show that to you. Now, once I click on run payroll, the system will just ask me to select the specific period for the payroll and then click on generate, and that's it. Once I click on generate, then the payroll processing takes place and you get a report on the payroll breakup components of a payout for an employee. You can export it, and in the front view of our payroll screen, you can see everything related to the salaries of an employee, how many are paid, how many are unpaid, what is your overtime, and if there are any loan deductions that have taken place as part of your payroll processing for an employee whom they have made a request, you can track everything from here. Again, with the flexibility to see it for a specific month or for a specific year. So that is a high level demo of our Wallpost software, which we covered today for the HR module, CRM, and payroll. Very easy to use software. A one-time setup is enough for you to completely be productive on the Wallpost software. And now I'm just going to go ahead and pass this to Natalie.
Thank you very much, Pradeep. That is the end of our webinar. If you have any further information, if you want any further information, please do contact Sanu Kumar. I'm actually putting the email address into the chat here so that you have this, but it's sanu@zdimension.co.in. It's in the chat, and we thank you all for your time, and we hope you have a very very lovely rest of the day. Thank you very much. Bye.